Hello friends. Why do we think wrong? Most people believe they are rational, logical, and intelligent decision makers. We trust our mind. We trust our judgment. But the uncomfortable truth is this. Our mind makes mistakes every single day. We choose wrong relationships. We stay stuck in wrong careers. We trust wrong people. We overthink, compare ourselves with others, and lose our inner peace. Rolf Dobelli explains that the problem is not our intelligence. The problem is how our brain is wired. Human thinking is full of cognitive biases, hidden mental errors that silently control our decisions without our permission. Clear thinking does not mean thinking more. It means eliminating wrong thinking. This book is not about becoming smarter. It is about becoming less foolish. Part 1. The Big Illusion of Human Thinking. Keycap 1. Survivorship bias. We see only the winners. We admire successful people, millionaires, entrepreneurs, celebrities. We listen to their stories and think, if they did it, I can do it too. But we forget one thing, we only see the survivors. For every successful person, there are thousands who failed and disappeared silently. We never hear their stories. This creates a false belief that success is easy or guaranteed. Life lesson. Never judge reality by success stories alone. Keycap 2. Confirmation bias. We look for what we believe. The human brain loves comfort. So it searches for information that confirms what we already believe. We ignore facts that challenge us. We reject opinions that oppose us. This is why people never change their mindset. Arguments never end. Truth becomes secondary to ego. Life lesson. If you truly want the truth, actively search for evidence against your beliefs. Part 2. Emotions, the hidden decision makers. Keycap 3. Emotional decision making. We like to think that logic controls our decisions. But in reality, emotions make the decision first, and logic comes later as justification. Love, fear, anger, jealousy, greed. These emotions hijack our thinking. That's why people enter toxic relationships, invest money foolishly, destroy peace for temporary happiness. Life lesson. Never make important decisions under strong emotions. Keycap 4. Loss aversion. Fear of losing is stronger than joy of gaining. Psychology proves one thing clearly. The pain of losing is twice as powerful as the pleasure of gaining. This is why people stay in bad relationships, continue unhappy jobs, refuse to change wrong decisions. They are not afraid of failure. They are afraid of loss. Life lesson. Sometimes walking away is not a loss, it is freedom. Part 3. Society, comparison and ego traps. Keycap 5. Social proof. The crowd is not always right. If many people believe something, we assume it must be true. This herd mentality controls fashion, social media trends, career choices, even moral decisions. History proves one thing, the majority has often been wrong. Life lesson. Think independently. The crowd does not think, it follows. Keycap 6. Comparison trap, the thief of inner peace. We compare our behind-the-scenes life with other people's highlight reels. Social media makes this worse. Comparison creates insecurity, jealousy, depression, self-doubt. Life lesson. The moment you stop comparing, peace begins. This lesson strongly matches your mindset. Keycap 7. Ego bias. I cannot be wrong. Ego prevents growth. People refuse to admit mistakes because it hurts their self-image. But reality is simple. Everyone is wrong sometimes. Life lesson. Admitting mistakes is intelligence, not weakness. Part 4. Money, career and life decisions. Keycap 8. Sunk cost fallacy. I have invested too much to quit. People continue wrong paths because they have already invested time, money, effort, emotions. But past investment does not justify future loss. Life lesson. Past costs should never decide future actions. Keycap 9. Authority bias. Blind trust in powerful people. We automatically believe doctors, teachers, bosses, leaders. Authority does not guarantee correctness. Life lesson. Respect authority, but always question decisions. Keycap 10 Overconfidence effect. Too much confidence is dangerous. Most people overestimate their skills, knowledge, and control. This leads to poor planning, risky decisions, unexpected failure. Life lesson. A little doubt can save you from disaster. Part 5. Small thinking errors with big impact. Keycap 1 Availability bias. What we see frequently feels more important than it actually is. News and social media manipulate this bias daily. Keycap 2 Halo effect. One good quality makes us believe everything else is good. This causes wrong judgments about people. Keycap 3 Scarcity bias. Rare things appear more valuable, even when they are not. Keycap 4 Story bias. We prefer beautiful stories over boring facts. Keycap 5 Outcome bias. We judge decisions by results, not by the thinking process. Part 6. The Clear Thinking Formula. Rolf Dobelli explains that clear thinking is not complicated. It requires emotional distance, ego control, freedom from comparison, long-term thinking, simplicity. The goal of life is not maximum pleasure. The goal is minimum regret. 10 Rules for Clear Thinking. Delay important decisions. Avoid emotional reactions. Question your beliefs. Ignore social pressure. Stop comparing yourself. Accept uncertainty. Learn from mistakes. Walk away from bad choices. Protect mental peace. Think less, think better. The world does not confuse you. Your mind does. Clear thinkers don't follow the crowd. They follow clarity. If you want peace, success, and freedom, learn to think clearly. Thank you, friends.